Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Today I have $309 to cash up. I am so excited. It may not be as much as I want to go towards saving challenges, but I'm excited though that, I have what I have. So if you're new here, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you want to go ahead and follow my journey, please go ahead and do so. My goal is to become debt free by August. So let's go ahead and get started and stop our binder bill slash rent. So this is the bill and rent binder. If you're new, hubby and I, we do 50-50 when it comes to bill and rent. So that's exciting. Okay, let me actually take a thumbnail picture. The lighting may not be as good, you guys. It is super duper gloomy outside. All right, so Alabama Power, you guys, is going to get $10. So we have $16 I don't have a lot, you guys. It's so sad. And then we also going on vacation the end of this month, well, next week actually. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it is what it is. Eric's bed is gonna get $5. So so far we got $11 in Eric's bed. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. This month is definitely going to be super different for me and next month, so we will see how that goes, you guys. You got to work with what you got, and I'm just showing you my real raw journey. All right, so 15-16. So basically I pay my my rent and bills the beginning of the month, which means that basically this rent and bill binder right here is for next month, for the bill for next month, because I already pay him for this month already. So I pay him the first week of each month, if that makes sense. Okay, insurance is going to get $10. So 10, 50, 65, so 65. And then those $200 that I have there is gonna go towards my rent later. But anyways, internet, we got $11. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't believe this month has been bananas. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we will see. Okay, rent, here we go. Rent, look at this. Rent is gonna get the $200. So rent has $350, and I need $500 on rent. I don't know if the glare is gonna do any difference, but anyways, yeah, so there is that. That's how quick money goes. Can you believe that? Oh my goodness. Okay, next we're gonna do our stuffing for my vacation binder, which is $60. As you can see right there, we were able to complete a saving challenge, so we're going to go ahead and stuff that envelope, which is this one right here. So exciting. So 50 and 60. So now, so far on vacation envelope, we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 23. So $123. And trust me, all of it is going to be gone. All of it's going to be gone. You're probably like wondering why so little. Well, because that's all I can do, because we're taking an unexpected vacation and hubby's paying for everything, but I'm trying to help him as much as I can. So whatever I can save, it's a little bit, but I can still save. All right, I have, I guess, $9 left, you guys, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, exactly 9. Oh my goodness. My sweater, my favorite sweater. Well, my favorite cardigan. Okay, so we're actually gonna do that. $9 in the Pinocho. Oh my gosh. Maybe on my next cash stuffing I can do the 12, and then this money can be used towards my vacation, which is 120. It's a lot. It's a good amount. And that's how quick money went, guys. Look at that. You see that? So quick. So far we have here 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $108. 108. Not bad. Okay. I hope you enjoy that quick and fun cash stuffing, you guys. It went too quick. Money goes too quick. And yeah, that's all I'm able to do today. Oh my gosh. I forgot to get this out. $35. So actually, instead of 309 plus 35, we're cash stuffing 344. 344. I told myself that this money was going to be used for vacation. OMG, I so forgot, you guys. I so forgot. Okay, so we're gonna add those $35 here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm telling you, I don't know where my head is at. I have it attached to me because I just have to have my head attached, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, so far, let's see how much now we have. So 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. So 158 now towards vacation. Yay. It's not bad. Okay, I cannot complain now, right? That's it. 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yeah, 158. Okay, not bad. Oh my gosh, I so forgot about that. But hey, 344 gone quick, just like that. You see that? All right, guys, so there's that. Awesome. All right. Oh, it's a little bit too thick. I probably condense later. It's a little bit too thick. Okay, so there's that. I don't have anything else that I might complete soon. That's about it. Besides this one is like not even there. And this one. Okay, well, there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy that small quick video. That's how unexpected thing happens. I'm going to condense this right now. All right, guys, well, anyways, I hope you enjoy that video, and thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and I see you guys tomorrow for Freebie Friday. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much for always supporting and loving, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm leaving this like this because I'm going to condense that. But yeah, all right, bye guys, have a good one.